Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm just going to jump right into the video. Don't mind my hair, we're gonna fix it. So this is the hair straight. I'm upset because I recorded the video and it did not record. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wand my hair this time because I want to show on camera of me styling the hair so that you can see how this hair is, even though this hair is great, but you know, I didn't get to record it. So with this hair, I kind of want to do the bald cap method, but I don't want to like sleep with the wig on. So I want to attach the wig cap onto the lace closure. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna I'm not sure how I'm about to do this, but I think I'm going to like glue the closure onto the wig cap with Ghost Bond, and then let's just try something because I seen a YouTuber, and I will link her down below, her YouTube name of a method that she used, and it's kind of just makes sense. Like, it's a closure, I'm not going to be wearing it throughout the night, so I kind of just want to do that method. Okay, so I got a shower cap. This is what I'm going to do. I'm gonna take some powder and put it on the lace. I'm gonna take my Got2b free spray. Don't y'all hate when like the free spray builds up on the nozzle and it be spraying like all kinds of directions? That's dry. Now I'm going to take my Ghost Bond. I'm going to take the Ghost Bond XL. I'm actually going to mark where the closure ends. I'm just going to use the same powder. Okay, so I marked these two spots. I don't know if you can see. And I'm just gonna put the glue. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just trying a method, so honestly, I should have just did this on the wig head and left it overnight because I don't know how fast this glue is going to dry. So yeah, it looks like it's drying good. I don't want to press my comb down on it because I don't want the hairs to stick on the comb. I don't want the hairs to stick on the glue. I don't know if I told you guys this in the part 1 video, but This, I think all their units come in a size medium cap size. So I am a size small, like I have a little peanut head. So if you like prefer a size small cap size, then just email them after you place your order, give them your order number, tell them that you want a size small cap size. But with the medium cap size, all I did, I tweaked it just a little bit. I'm gonna get the wig right now so I can show you guys. But with both of the wig units that I have, they're both 20 inches. This one's a small cap size and this one's a medium. With this one, I basically just tucked the ear tabs, because with the medium cap, the ear tabs come lower, like probably up to the end of my ear. So I just tucked, I'll show you guys. I tucked the flap so it's like open. I just tucked it in and I sewed it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I just sewed it on both sides. And honestly, I feel like that fits better than the small wig cap, because with the small cap, it comes behind your ear. And I feel like it's supposed to come in front of your ear, like right above it or whatever. But I mean, I don't mind. And then with the closure, because my hairline, I have low edges, I kind of just cut the closure like up like a U. So like how this is, can y'all see that? This is where my sideburns are, and then the middle is just cut lower. So I just razor cut it or whatever, jagged edge, so it looks more natural. And the laces are sitting all the way up here. Because how dumb would it look for me to have red hair and my edges are still poking out, like, you know? So that's just how I cut my closures. And I feel like these are pretty wide. Like, I know the 4x4 closures that I used to buy and make wig units with, I couldn't, like, you know, finesse it like this. So I feel like these closures are good. I don't know if I want to do a lot of stuff, okay? Like, I'm a very indecisive girl. But I either want to crimp it or wand curl it, but I feel like the crimping is going to take too long. I'm just going to put some loose wand curls in it. So I have the Remington wand curl on the heat setting 30, the highest heat setting, and I'm just gonna wand curl the hair. And I think I want the ends to be straight, so I'm just gonna put like loose wand curls in it and then leave the ends straight while this is drying. So that's what it looks like. Not gonna mess with it yet because it's still hot. Oh, look at my braid. Don't mind my braids under this, okay? I want to do more colors, but like, I'm so indecisive to where it's like it doesn't even happen, and then it's like, oh, I'm gonna do pink, and then it's like I'm gonna do purple, and then it just never happens because I'm not certain on which color I want to do, which is mad annoying. But hopefully you guys will help me. Now, I'm not curling my hair any like specific way. I'm just putting curls in it, and then at the end, if I want to tweak something, I'll tweak it. But I don't really have a method of which direction I'm going and what angle I'm holding the wand. I'm just doing it. So this is what it's looking like. Let's do the other side. There is way more hair on this side than there was on the other side. You guys, I'm really tight that I recorded me styling and doing all of the customization to this freaking hair and I wasn't recording the whole time. Like, do you know how tight I was when I went to go put my memory card in my laptop and there was no footage? Like zero, like no footage. I was tight, like I was just sitting there looking dumb. I did all of that with the camera out, killing my battery, and I wasn't even recording. I need to get my life together ASAP. Okay, this is the last piece. These are kind of like beach waves, I want to say. It's cute. Okay, so now with the cap, I'm going to cut this band off that I did not glue. The thick band that comes on the wig caps, I glued the hair behind it, so I'm just gonna cut that off. Actually, I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so I cut stuff off. I'm gonna go in and sew around the edges of the closure, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, that is the end of this video. I don't really know how I feel about this method yet. This is my first time doing it, and I mean, it's convenient. I like it so far. That's all I can really say. I don't know how long it'll last, but I will come back and I will do another updated video because this looks like, you know, looks like scalp, so